Let me show you how to add lights in Blender. It's quick and easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Blender and make sure you're in object mode. You can check this in the top left corner of the screen where it should say Object Mode. If it's not selected, click the drop down and choose Object Mode. To add a light, press Shift+A to open the Add menu. In the menu, hover over Light, and you'll see several types of lights you can add. Let's go over each one briefly. Point light. This light emits light in all directions. Like a light bulb, it's perfect for simulating a single light source that spreads out evenly. Sun. This light simulates the sun, and it casts parallel rays in a specific direction, no matter how far the light source is from the scene. This is great for outdoor scenes. Spotlight. A spotlight focuses light into a cone, casting sharp shadows and illuminating a specific area. This is useful for focused lighting, like stage lighting. Area light. This light emits light from a rectangular area and is useful for simulating soft, diffused lighting, like an overhead panel light. For this example, let's add a point light. After selecting it from the menu, you'll see a light object appear in your scene. You can move it around by selecting it and pressing G to grab, and then move it to the desired position. Once the light is positioned, you can adjust its settings. With the light selected, go to the Light tab in the Properties panel on the right. It looks like a light bulb icon. Here, you'll see several options. Power. This controls the intensity of the light. Increasing the power makes the light brighter, while decreasing it dims the light. Color. Click on the color box next to color to change the color of the light. You can pick any color which is useful for creating different moods or effects. Radius. This is the point light. This controls the size of the light's influence. Increasing the radius makes the light spread over a larger area, while decreasing it focuses the light on a smaller area. If you want to see how the light affects the scene, switch to Rendered View by clicking the small sphere icon in the top right corner of the viewport. To change the type of light, just select the light object, go to the Light tab, and choose a different light type: point, sun, spotlight, or area. Each type has its own settings that you can adjust for your scene. Once you're happy with how the light looks, you can add more lights or adjust the placement of the existing ones to get the perfect lighting setup. And that's it. You've now added and customized a light in Blender. I hope this tutorial helped.